topic, we are going to discuss about the reactivity series of metals. Reactivity series means the list of the element in the order of their decreasing reactivity. So let's start. What is reactivity series and what are the importance of this reactivity series? Okay. The arrangement of metals in a vertical column but in the order of decreasing reactivity. That means which metal is more reactive, that will be at which position, higher or lower. If the order is decreasing, the metal which is more reactive, that will be at the top. Most reactive metals are placed at the top and the least reactive metals are placed at the bottom of the reactivity series. It is the arrangement of metals in the order of their reactivity, but what's the order is decreasing order. Okay. Reactivity series, you can hear there are many metals which are arranged in the form of their reactivity series. Firstly, you can see there is potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. I discussed all the symbols with you. So see this picture carefully, that potassium, which is the most reactive, which is at the top, and as we move down in this series the reactivity is going to decrease, and which is the least reactive metal here, this is your gold. And if we are going to compare the reactivity of iron and copper, which is more reactive, what would be your answer? Just think about this. Out of copper and zinc, which is more reactive? So what would be your answer according to this reactivity series? The answer would be that iron is more reactive than copper. Is it clear? Why you have to learn this reactivity series? That is, we can find out which metal is more reactive and which metal can displace other metal from its salt solution, and that type of reactions are called displacement reaction, which we will discuss in the next video. Okay. So learn this reactivity series. So this is the same series, and in this series you can see here that there are some metal which are above the hydrogen and some are below the hydrogen. So these metals are more reactive than hydrogen, so they can replace the hydrogen, but which are metals which are less reactive than hydrogen, they are not able to displace the hydrogen. वो हाइड्रोजन को उसके सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन में से डिस्प्लेस नहीं कर सकती हैं. So this is your reactivity series, which is the most reactive one and which is the least reactive one. So is it clear? So you can use many ways to learn this reactivity series. So I have given you some examples here. You can learn in your own way, which will be comfortable to you. Please send cats, monkeys and zebras in their lovely happy cages made up of silver and gold. This is the mnemonics for learning the reactivity series. You can make it for by yourself also. Okay. So this is a very important reactivity series. So learn this reactivity series. Thank you.